Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. We know that when that fall dandelion goes to seed, it makes great flash tinder. I wonder if that's an indication that this flower will fire roll. Let's find out.
You don't see smoke, go back and roll it some more.
That might be an ignition, it might just be steam. Let's give it a chance to build. Kind of looks like smoke. Might actually be ignited. Now it's starting to dissipate. Okay, so now we know that from here to about right here should be ideal to double fire roll. I see smoke. Could be steam. Oh, it looks like it went back out. No, it's still smoking, just barely. That's the thing about these double fire rolls. It produces a very weak ember. So it's going to take some time for that ember to surface and to intensify. So let's just leave it alone and let it do that while we build our loblolly pine needles tinder bundle. Pine cone looked like it'd been eaten on by a squirrel. Chipmunk. I don't know if birds eat those seeds. I guess they would. She's dried out and smoking now. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.